Hello and welcome everyone. Today's question is maximum trio and it is a very easy question. In our question we have an array of size n and our task is to choose three different indexes elements such that when we perform the operation ai minus aj into ak, we get the maximum value among all the triplets possible with the values of the array. Now let's quickly analyze the given test cases, then we'll write the code. Test case number 1, we have value of n equals to 3 and the inputs of the array are 1, 1, 3. Now here we'll take the first element ai 3 and the second element aj 1 and the third element ak 1. Now if you perform the operation ai minus aj into ak, we get the value 3 minus 1 into 1, that is 2. So our answer is 2. Now let's analyze this question with our approach. So if the given array, we have the given array. Now our first task is to sort the given array. In this case it will be the same array 1, 1, 3. Now we need to select the three elements. The first element will be the maximum element of the array, that is the last element. Here it is 3. And the second element is aj, that will be the smallest element of the array, that is 1. And the third element, that is ak, this element will be the second maximum element, that is 1. This is the second largest element. Now in all the possible array, after sorting the array, if you select this combination, the first element, the maximum element, the second element, the smallest element, and the third element is the second maximum element, we will always get the maximum value after performing this operation. Now let's see this. So our operation is ai minus aj into ak. After performing the operation, we get the value 2 and our answer is 2. That is the answer we get here. Let's see test case number 2. So we have value of n equals to 5 and the input of the arrays are 3, 4, 4, 1 and 2. Here the first element ai we will take 4, second element aj we will take 1 and the third element ak we will take 4. After performing the operation ai minus aj into ak, we get the value of sum equals to 12 and that is our answer. Now let's solve this with our approach. We have the given array. Now first task we need to do is sort the array. After sorting we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now the first element which we need to select is the maximum element of the array we sorted, that is 4. The second element, that is aj, we need to select the smallest element of the array we sorted, that is 1. And the third element, that is ak, we need to select the second maximum element, that is 4. So this is our element. You can see it is similar to the element that is provided in the test cases. Now after performing the operation ai minus aj into ak, we get the value 12 and that is our answer. Let's see test case number 3. So we have n equals to 5 and the inputs of the arrays are 23, 17, 21, 18 and 19. The first element ai is 23, the second element aj is 17 and the third element ak is 21. After performing the task ai minus aj into ak, we get the value 23 minus 17 into 21, that is 126. So our answer is 126. Let's analyze it with our approach. So we have the given array 23, 17, 21, 18 and 19. The first thing we need to do is sort the elements of the array. After sorting we get 17, 18, 19, 21 and 23. Now the first element we need to select is the maximum element of the sorted array, that is 23. The second element which we need to select is the smallest element of the array, that is 17. And the third element which we need to select is the second maximum element of the array, that is 21. Now we need to perform the operation ai minus aj into ak. After performing the operation we get the value 126 and that is our answer. Now let's move forward and write the code. Step 1, let's read the input. Now the first thing we need to do is sort our array. That is arrays dot sort. Remember here taking the inputs in long. It is important. This step is crucial. So we'll take A, B and C. The first element which we need to read is our last element, that is the maximum element. And the second element which we'll take is the smallest element of our array, that is the first element. And the third element is the second maximum element, that is A of n minus 2. Now we simply need to print A minus B into C. So let's run it. So sample test case is passed. Let's submit it. Easy. So that's how we solve this question. Thank you.